Good morning. I am Mr. Kunduno Salolo from Guinea. I am BurSpetsTehknika manager. Last month, we engaged in the negotiation with BST to buy and to do a partnership for sale drilling rig equipment from Russia country to Guinea. I greet BST because BST do fine management to find truck for we find truck and to do a management for truck. The truck, it is the reconditionment of the truck, it is very good. So the second part, we can now BST need to manufacture any equipment to put in the truck. After we pay the 50% for all the cost for drilling equipment manufacturing, BST, and we pay again 100% for the truck. BST take the trucks from the place where we buy the trucks, in the manufacturing place. Now he begin the manufacture for my drilling rig for my company for do mining exploration in Guinea. So for that, I think I say again, I am glad for that because I come here, I see everything is correct. BST respects the engagement where he take, where we sign the contract. So now I just say thank you to BST.
Noir comme les stands blancs, c'est difficile à faire.